Wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakli, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. Komatsu has announced what the Japanese heavy industry giant described as its most significant technology investment, partnering autonomous vehicle software maker Applied Intuition to integrate AI-powered vehicle OS into its mining fleet. Mining.com reports. This multi-year deal aims to accelerate autonomous vehicle rollout, improve safety and energy efficiency, and address sector challenges such as labor shortages and decarbonization. The move marks a major step toward modernizing mining as global pressures and demand for smarter haulage systems rise. China's Hesai Group, the world's largest automotive LiDAR sensor supplier, is pursuing a dual primary listing in Hong Kong to raise up to $500 million, South China Morning Post reports. The Shanghai-founded firm will offer 17 million shares, targeting both local and global investors. Hesai supplies LiDAR to major EV and robotics companies, with 28% of 2024 revenue from exports to North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Dutch battery startup LeydenJar has raised €13 million in equity funding led by Extensia and Invest NL for its Eindhoven Plant 1 facility, which will be the world's first to mass-produce 100% silicon anodes for lithium-ion batteries, EU Startups reports. LeydenJar's technology boosts battery energy density by 50%, enables charging under 12 minutes, and slashes CO2 emissions by 85%, according to the report. The factory, expected to be operational by 2027, can produce enough material for 5 million smartphone batteries per year. EndureAir Systems, a Noida-based UAV maker, has raised $2.85 million, led by IAN Alpha Fund, to enhance its defense-focused aerial robotics and expand into enterprise markets, Entracker reports. Founded in 2018, EndureAir develops indigenous drones fully in-house and holds 8 patents, according to the report. Its portfolio includes heavy lift logistics UAVs, long-endurance drones for medical delivery, and nano UAVs for rescue missions. Aeronero Solutions in Bengaluru has launched Aeronero 2.0, its next-generation air-water generation system featuring its proprietary technology, brand-named Condessa, and its Aquair platform, designed for decentralized, climate-resilient water supply, the company said in a press release. Aeronero has 13 patents from its know-how and is seeing strong commercial growth, according to the press release. The company says its solution can be scaled from home to industrial capacity, delivering clean, mineral-enriched water. ISRO, NSIL, InSpace, and HAL have signed a landmark technology transfer agreement enabling HAL to absorb and mass-produce the small satellite launch vehicle for domestic and global markets over a 24-month transition, the government agencies said in a press release. ISRO will provide training, helping HAL shift from component supplier to comprehensive launch provider, strengthening India's commercial space launch capacity and deep tech ecosystem. The move aims to significantly increase access to the SSLV platform and position India as a global leader in affordable satellite launches. To end today's brief, India's Centre for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, CCAMP, and the Government of Nagaland have signed a strategic MOU to strengthen public health care by deploying indigenous health technologies targeting state-specific challenges, according to a press release. The partnership builds on previous COVID-19 interventions and aims to enhance infrastructure, train healthcare workers, and implement innovations in maternal and child health, non-communicable diseases, and other critical areas for equitable quality care. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes, wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with founders, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, please listen to my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. To support my work, please subscribe to my posts at indiatechreport.in if you'd like to get all these in one place. I'm Hari Arkli. Thank you for listening.